Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Let's Challenge New Heroes event, how to play Heroes event in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. As you can see, there is news update here. Heroes win the UEFA Champions League night, called for a game changer. These heroes rose to the occasion. So play through new chapters, complete quests and exchange, and earn progress in the Star Pass to recruit mighty heroes to your club. Let's see. This one, the heroes banner. You can tap this event. So welcome to the heroes. There's a plenty of new content for you to play. Let's tap it. So this is the full throttle, fire and ice, midfielder, collect heroes and earn reward. This one, and also this is like as always there is a quest, there's a exchange feature, challenge and heroes over, and embark your heroes journey. So total there are main chapter, heroes expedition, the motor, and many more. There is some update in the next week, 7 days from now, 14 days and 21 days from now. So total I think this is a month's event, heroes event. So let's try to play this, challenge yourself in this gathering rewards. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.